I'm doing some Harissa baked chicken. I'm gonna take some yogurt, red wine vinegar, garlic, and like a spicy seasoning, and bacon in the oven with a side. And for my dinner, I'm marinating this for tomorrow or the next day. I'm gonna roast kale, got brown rice going. Had a hard workout today. I like to back feed on hard workout days. Made some paste with Greek yogurt and olive oil, a little red vinegar, and some Red Harissa paste. This is a Blue Apron mill. Sometimes I tweak. So the oven's at 425. Just gonna put like this paste on top of the chicken and then cook it for about 20 minutes. And I find cooking to be very therapeutic, so I always do a half glass of red wine and usually turn on music, but I told her YouTube tonight. So she is doing that. I broke into my Scout and Cellar, very low sugar. And while I'm doing this, I'm gonna save time and get ready for tomorrow. Grilling, it's beautiful now. Like I should be out there now, but just gonna put like a couple tablespoons of this avocado vinaigrette in with this chicken. All right, and the last step is to just saute some kale and some olive oil in here. And then we'll load everything all together.